Before we get into today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on these breathtaking yet fun moments. Thank you. In the middle of an American summer when the sun was still blazing in the Texas Hill Country sky, a disaster suddenly struck that no one could have predicted. On July 4th, 2025, while people were still preparing for the 4th of July, dark clouds rolled in and torrential rain poured down on the peaceful stretch of land along the Guadalupe River. In just a few hours, the river rose more than 35 feet, nearly 11 meters, leaving many areas such as Kerrville, Comfort, Fredericksburg, and especially Camp Mystic submerged in water. Videos from drones, dash cams, and residents show the water sweeping away everything: houses, cars, trees, even the small hopes growing in the summer camps. No amount of commentary can replace the weight of the images. The Guadalupe River went from a gentle stream to a tsunami that swept away everything in just 20 minutes, captured in raw footage from YouTube and bystanders. Drones flying over Camp Mystic showed tents and cabins gone. A summer that promised a bright childhood had evaporated in the cold water. Dash cameras from the bridges at Center Point and Kerrville show panicked residents' cars swept away like toys. Camp Mystic, a place that was supposed to be safe and filled with the joys of childhood, became a place of mourning. Of the more than 200 children and staff, 27 died, most of them swept away while they slept. The tragedy was compounded when reports from rescuers confirmed the total death toll to 135, making it the deadliest flood in Texas in 50 years. Kerr County, which only uses phone alerts, was heavily criticized for its warning system not being fast enough and not having the same emergency sound as neighboring areas. Property damage over 200 million, with thousands of homes destroyed or washed away. Water Kerrville declares a state of emergency as its water filtration system is completely destroyed. Residents are limited in their access to water. Volunteers and military. Over 2,000 people from neighboring states, along with Mexican rescuers, assist in search and rescue, distribution of supplies, and temporary shelters. We cannot erase the pain, but we can share it. The raging waters have swept away summers, childhoods, and loved ones for countless Texas families. But amid the devastation, we see hope. In the eyes of those who survived, in the songs of Schuyler, and in the hearts of those who have not forgotten. Let us send our best wishes to all the victims and their families. May the dead rest in peace. If you share this sadness, leave a comment with the word strong A word of encouragement, prayer, and hope that Texas will rise again. Because when one person stands, hope begins to grow. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos from our channel.